So, hi, my name is Saksham and I will be presenting you my NexusHub project which I built for Microsoft Hackathon. So basically the concept of this Nexus Hub is pretty simple. So in current day, right, in our office and in professional environment, we are having apps like Outlook, Calendar, OneDrive, and Teams, right? So every, in terms of collaborate and work and there are other applications as well like Jira and everything. And thing is things start to slip out when you have a team of 20-30 people, right? It's difficult to get the hold of your mail, your calendar, your Teams app where you are mentioned or not. So this is like a master application which I built. Obviously, the data is not populated because I'm using my personal email ID. Once anyone from the corporate, right, they log in, they'll see a lot of priorities here, a lot of calendars, there and their email and Teams activity. And the functionality is like, okay, currently, if you want to write a mail or something, right, that set up a meeting, this sort of uh, uh, things, right? This sort of connection with MCP is there. We can there is a separate tool for each and every calendar, mails, and team activities. There is a document intelligence as well, and we can build some automation as well in this project. So, say for example, I want to send a mail to this is my email ID. Okay, and then uh, tell him to be present in all hands tomorrow. Yeah. So what will happen is, a model will load up here. The backend execution is starting. Suppose this backend execution, right? What will happen is, it will be sent out to our backend service. I could refresh that one, right? And it is, sort of making sure that okay, our schema, the Supabase schema is proper and properly things are getting logged. And this is our MCP server where where we where we'll see what requests are getting sent. Okay, finally it loaded. Send a mail to be present in all hands, and I would say maybe a little bit I can redraft, and I could say present to be present be there all hands tomorrow. I can bold this thing, right? And first I need to save as draft. This is sort of a limitation. First, we have to save all the mails in Outlook, and then we can send. So obviously better integration we can do, and then it will send out the mail, and obviously we'll see the tool calling happening at the back end. Yep, mail, you saw that, right? The post mail, it is sent also. First it will draft and then it will send. And I can see the mail in my Gmail. Currently it's in span. Obviously we need to move it to this thing. So once we have it, right, so if any clarification required, it will give you the clarification. Same way I can set up the meetings and team responses, and there is one section on the document intelligence as well. We can upload our PDF and everything. We'll get the insights, connected insights of that document. And last, I want to show the knowledge graph feature of this product. Now, this knowledge graph feature is for the LLM to find the connected insights in our you know, daily work, right? And what is going to happen is like we'll see a well defined knowledge graph structure. Okay, like for me, who I am connecting to, what kind of messages I am sending, and who is asking for my approvals, who is sending any document to me. So OneDrive is also integrated, and it's directly we can ingest that in our LLM, and do that uh, tool calling to get the insights and connected insights for that one. So now my meetings are also getting loaded. Yeah, as you can see right now, a lot of optimization I have to do from the code base side, so all that loading time is reduced. But you can see the knowledge graph, right? This one. These are the new messages. No need to open. All these are sort of mails I'm getting. So this guy, right? This guy Saksham is communicating to this particular email ID, and this is again our same Outlook ID which is getting, and this is again our one of my other ID as well, right? So all these are sort of how they are connected, uh, and derive that connected insights, how we can do total and one item in my OneDrive as well. It's like my resume and I can query it. So this is the end to end of the project. Obviously needs improvement, I would say, in the meeting and everything, right? But it's a whole connected sort of a um, application which will help you to pick up priority work from your day to day. Thanks a lot. I will be checking in the optimization very soon.